Welcome back, Terraria fans. We are here again, of course, with another speed build. Now, this one is a little bit different as well. I say as well because I think I said that in the last video. So, anyways, guys, in this one, we went with a very interesting kind of theme. A while back, we made this really cool Viking build, which you can see here. And off of this one, guys, basically with that whole Viking theme is I was playing some Valheim. So, guys, if you don't know that game, really awesome game. I played it quite a bit with a friend, played a little bit online, did a little bit of streaming of it, so big fan of that game. Really cool. It's not fully released yet, but basically we took an inspiration from Valheim and tried to sort of port it over to Terraria. So hopefully you guys like it. Now, guys, speaking of being online and streaming and that stuff, of course, as you know, I stream Terraria every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Twitch. Its link is down below. Go check it out, guys. Would love to see you there. Of course, I also stream other games. I am a variety streamer, so you can see me there doing all kinds of different things, basically every day except for Wednesday and Sunday. So, guys, with that out of the way, let's hop in the build. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and we will see you on the back end. right, guys, so that'll do it for today's build. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. As always, feel free to leave a comment down below. Any tips or tricks that I may be missing, perhaps some build designs. Just let me know what you thought, because I really enjoyed making this build. I love the way it turned out. I just think it just adds a lot of it has a lot of elements I like. It adds a lot of flavor to our builds and just looks really cool. Guys, as always, thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. We will catch you in the next video.